English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2, game, including, laugh. Game. Game is a noun. A2 learners usually know game. At A2, a game is a board game, a video game, or an occasion. Here are some examples. We like to play a board game called Monopoly. He will play video games all day long if you let him. When I was young, I went to a football game every Saturday. Including. Including is a preposition. A2 learners usually know including. Including is used to show that a person or thing is part of a larger group, amount, or process. Here are some examples. Everyone was there, including Jack. I liked every subject at school, including maths. 10 people, including 2 children, were hurt in the accident. Laugh. Laugh is a verb. A2 learners usually know laugh. At A2, to laugh means to smile while making sounds that show you are happy or think that something is funny. Here are some examples. I love to laugh out loud. When she laughs, the whole world can hear her. He laughed when I told him the price. Now write some of your own sentences with game, including, and laugh. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.